So, where are you at?
I'm right here.
What
We're sitting in the campground all by ourselves because the campground is closed. And we got a fire going. So, even though there's nobody here, we're camping. La da 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 da.
So what are you going to do while it's closed?
Oh, they got a million projects of cleaning, of sterilizing everything, cleaning up, replacing fire rings, replacing fire grills, and God knows what else. So they're doing all the big maintenance projects.
Yeah. Oh, great. Thank you. Sheldon, are you having fun camping?
Yeah, Mama, I like it. I like it a lot.
Oh, me too, me too. Oh, Daddy, where you going? Where you going? Leena, are you having fun camping?
Yes, I'm with my grandpa and my daddy and grandma who doesn't like to pet me.
She stinks.
I just sprayed her with the perfume so she smells like a little princess.
Okay. Uh-huh. So, what are some of the complaints of the campers this season?
Too many bugs.
You know what my favorite one was?
What?
Where do I mail my letter? Well, what do you mean I have to go to the post office? Why can't you mail it for me? You enjoy volunteering?
Hey, that lady even wanted me to drive her up in the golf cart, which is not allowed.
So do you enjoy volunteering?
Oh, I enjoy this. Especially now where there's no campers. Well, I take that back. Yeah, there's no campers, but they got us working even harder.
So what do you think, Sheldon? Oh,
I
that's
like
Leena.
the woods. I like the woods. I can smell all the animals. I'd rather be in the woods than at home. As long as you don't have those two crazy kids with us.
Mean.
No matter where we go, they follow. I don't know how they found us.
Sheldon, what are you doing? Are you camping, Sheldon?
Walk me in the woods, Daddy.
Leena.
Yes.
Hey, Leena. Does your elevator reach the top floor? No.
Yes, I just act this way because I want to. And I'm with my daddy. He's special.
Special, right.
I'm as dumb as a fox.
Yes, you are. Oh, you were talking about the dog.
Well, I don't talk this way. Here, show the fire.
Here, show the fire. There's the fire. I built the fire. I built a better fire than he does. Because
yeah, she cheats.
No, I use scrap paper from the crafting site on my craft stuff. It burns good. And I don't ever give you any so you can build a good fire. Look, it's empty. It's just us and nature in an empty campground. And I hate that light. Oh. If you move, if you breathe loud around it, it comes on. Yeah, so what else you want to say? Anything, huh? You got anything else you want to say? You want to say anything? Or is there anything else you want to talk about?
Oh, look, there's a bear, a brown bear. He's coming in here. Remember, the only thing I have to do is run faster than you. You know, second place gets eaten.
I'll go inside and lock the door. So, anything else you want to say?
No, I don't want to say nothing, because when you want me to be quiet, I'll be quiet, and I won't say another word, because I know you want me to be quiet because you want to enjoy the fire. And if I'm always talking, then you won't enjoy the fire. So I won't say anymore, because I know that would bother you. So I won't talk anymore. because I know it bothers you, and we can just sit back and watch the fire, and it crackles, and eventually we got to add some wood to it, but we won't need it just yet. It's still going pretty good, so I'll be quiet so you won't be disturbed by me talking all the time.
Okay.
So what do you not like about camping?
I love camping.
You're camping now.
I don't like not having the internet that you promised.
Well, they did away with the program.
No,
I
you
mean-
bought the wrong thing.
No, the AT&T is no longer available. They sold out on it. Every one of them have sold out. And that would have been nice to have because it was cheap and it was unlimited, but nobody has it now. It's all sold out. Everybody who wanted it bought it within 2 weeks because it was available about 3-4 weeks ago, just before we came. And when I got here and I tried to order it, I ordered the wrong one, and now nobody has it. So we got to triple the price to get internet.
I believe you.
But what we can do, again, you don't care about the price. But if we can get the Netgear to work with the Verizon, it's expensive, but I think that's the only way to go. Uh-oh.
What?
What's that car doing?
Going down the road.
Who is it?
I have no idea. Someone that should not be in here.
Or was that, what's your name? Cat.
Leena. Leena. Are you having fun? Stupid dog.
Say, pet me, Daddy, pet me.
My hip hurts.
Because you're old.
I gotta take a shower tonight.
Please.
You too.
I always do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
You're gonna go to the bathhouse or?
No, I don't go in the bathhouse.
No, nobody's around.
I don't care. I don't go in there.
I can take a long hot shower.
With no water pressure.
Well, with no water, nobody using the water, you probably got good pressure now. Your fire zone is going out.
No, it's not.
Does it need new wood?
Probably needs to be stirred up some. Go stir it up some.
All right, give me your tripod.
I don't think so.
Well, I can't stir it up. I don't have anything to stir it up with.
Oh my God, get a stick.
Huh?
Get a stick.
What's wrong with you getting a stick?
It's your job.
You're the one who built it. I didn't start the fire. You started
Oh my
the
God,
fire.
you see what I have to put up with?
Yeah, but that's your favorite thing to say to me. Well, that's yours, not mine.
Lena. Away from the fire. Go over there. Go on, go lay down. Go over there with Sheldon. God, I don't want you. Go over there.
Smells good now.
There she does, and her breath smells like she's been eating her poop. Where'd Daddy go? Where'd Daddy go? Where'd Daddy go? I want my daddy, I want my daddy. Because I'm just a silly little beagle. Sheldon. Sheldon. Talk to me. Don't ignore me. Sheldon. So, you got anything else to say?
Oh, look at the fire. I stirred up the fire.
Okay. I guess that's it for now.